Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll and find this ringtone and sound section. And as you can see here, we've got two different ringtones. They are divided into between two SIM cards, which means that we can set a completely different ringtone for the first one and another for the second one. So let me show you using, for example, the first one. It doesn't really matter. The operation looks the same. After tapping on it, we will have this pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. So at the top, we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And at the bottom, we've got this option Add Ringtone, and we will be transferred to our own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, you will be able to find it somewhere here, and you will be, of course, if it is compatible, you will be able to set it as your ringtone. If not, you can choose something from pre-installed ones, and to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and check whether you like it or not. Let me volume it down a little bit. For example, let me set the simple one. So all we have to do is to make sure that it is marked and then tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, this device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.